guys, welcome to ForeveR Learnings. My name is Patan Muhammad Ryan, and today we are going to start with HTML. Before starting, I want to give you an important notice. So, YouTube has shown me that most of my viewers aren't watching my videos completely. So, please do watch my videos completely. And there are also chapters and timelines. Feel free to reach to the part which you like. Thank you. So, here I am on my screen and I'm using Visual Studio Code. It's an open source code editor, and you can get it from Google by searching Visual Studio Code. And here you can click on download and you can directly download from the website, or you can check the description down below. There you will have. So, now let's get into the Visual Studio Code, and now we are going to discuss about HTML. First, let us create some new file by clicking on file menu and clicking Control N, or you can directly go for file and click on new file. After clicking, you should get by default untitled one, which is a txt file. So extension is .txt, which we have to change it to .html. So what is an HTML? Let me show you an example. So while you go to Google and for example you see here Visual Studio Code, you can see the icons of Windows, Linux, Mac. All these are created by HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and even other languages like C++ and CC. And I'm trying to say that with HTML, you can create lots of websites, lots of very unique things. And so let's get back to the Visual Studio Code and let's save the untitled one.txt into tutorials for beginners.html. So I'm pressing Control S, and here I have created already one folder which is CSS and HTML, and in that subfolder website. So here I'm gonna save this file. You can see it's untitled.txt. To save it in HTML format, just click on Save As, type the below one, and select HTML from the drop down menu. After selecting, you should get untitled1.html. And if you have already saved some HTML files, then it would appear on the screen. So here I'm gonna write as tutorials for beginners.html. So after creating this HTML format, I'm gonna tell you the basics. First, if you get like these two brackets, which indicates that this is an HTML file and the file name, you can see tutorial for beginners.html. So the first tag we are going to use is the most important, which is the HTML tag. Now you can see two tags, one without slash and one with slash. The one without slash is the starting of that tag, and what the one with the slash at the first is ending the tag. So now when I write the HTML, then the HTML tag is opened, and when I write slash HTML, the HTML tag is closed. So this is the first and the foremost is HTML, and the next comes head. Now head is the heading of the website, and usually it is used to give the names. Like if we write title, then you can see the title of the website, which is above. I will show you after writing the title. So in Chrome browser, when I switch, first let me open the file from the place where I saved. So websites, yeah, tutorials of for beginners. So I'm double clicking on that, and you can see that there when I refresh, nothing is coming on the website. But on the above, which I have gave the title HTML for beginners, that is appearing there. So basically, it means that it gives the title. Now, after that, we are going to write the main tag, which is the body tag, in which we are going to write the contents of the website. So whatever we write here, it will directly appear on the website. So let me write. So I finished writing, and now we are going to the Chrome browser. First, I will save the file, and then I will go to Chrome browser and I will refresh the page. So I'm refreshing the page now. So now you can see that the content which I've wrote inside the body tag is appearing here. So basically, the body tag means that the content which you write between the body tag will appear inside the website. So body tag, whenever you want to write some content, please use body tag and then write it. You should use body tag only once, and inside that you can write many more things. As we go further, we'll talk all about ihref and all that stuff. So now these is the basic of the html. I hope you like this video.